Magic Art.
Hello friends, welcome to Magic Art. How to draw a simple cute dress, easy drawing and coloring for kids. Hey kids, today we are drawing a super cute dress. No sewing machine, just magic pencil. If you can draw simple shapes, you can design a dress that even princess will love. Step by step, we will turn a few lines into a beautiful dress. Ready to become a fashion artist? The dress is so cute, you might want to wear your drawing. No fashion school needed, just follow me. Let's create a stylish dress together. Let's design a dress so pretty, even your crayons will feel proud. Let's design a dress so pretty, even your crayons will feel proud. From simple lines to wow design, your cute dress is just a few steps away. Ready, set, draw. Let's create a tiny dress with a big style.